Industrial environments create industrial-sized messes. The new Exair EasySwitch wet-dry vac is a patent-pending industrial vacuum that operates off shop air to easily clean up wet, dry, light, or heavy debris. In liquid mode, the EasySwitch is ideal for cleaning tanks, drains, or spills and can process 36 gallons per minute of water by pulling 190 inches of water column when operated at 80 psig inlet pressure. The tool-free changeover takes less than 15 seconds to convert into a dry vacuum that is perfect for cleaning up production waste, trim, scrap, or dry spills. In dry mode, the EasySwitch generates 92 SCFM of vacuum flow when operated at the same 80 psig and can process 54 pounds per minute of steel shot. If you would like to discuss your industrial vacuum needs, contact an application engineer today. Thanks for watching.